Planning to visit Ferrara, but don't want the burden of lugging your bags around all day? Radical Storage offers a quick, reliable solution for storing your luggage while you enjoy the sights. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of depositing your bags at a luggage storage point in Ferrara using Radical Storage, a platform that partners with local businesses like cafes, hotels, and shops. These partners provide secure, insured storage options, ensuring your luggage is safe while you explore. Instead of searching randomly for storage options, click the secure link provided in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, finding a storage point in Ferrara is easy. Just type Ferrara into the search bar, and a list of nearby locations will appear. Select the most convenient option based on your plans, whether you're near tourist spots or transportation hubs. Then, choose your preferred drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with the payment. Radical Storage ensures secure online transactions, giving you peace of mind as you finalize your booking. After confirming your reservation, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage location. When you arrive at your selected spot, show the reference to the staff, and they will store your bags securely. And that's all there is to it. Now you can explore Ferrara without the hassle of carrying your luggage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.